Now, if you're a content creator, you're in for a treat today because I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a full-length video in one click. Long gone are the days where you had to sit in front of a computer for hours and hours and hours just to upload a video to YouTube. You can now use a tool called Invideo AI to create content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. We're going to create a long form video for YouTube as well as a short. But before we do that, please be sure to subscribe down below so that I can provide better content for you, better AI tools, and even bigger discounts in the future. With that being said, let's hop into Invideo. All right, you guys, so we're in the Invideo studio and I'm going to tell the AI to create a full-length video about the future of technology using a relevant news article. And the cool thing about Invideo is that you can paste links and it will analyze that link and then create a video based on what you give it. So I can actually go to another YouTube channel and make a video based on their video, which is really, really cool. Okay, so there's this new video about AGI, and that's basically the AI on steroids, right? So I'm gonna copy the link to that, and then we're gonna hop over to the Invideo studio, okay? Ooh, look how sleek that is. So I'm gonna paste the link, and then I'm gonna tell Invideo, create a 10-minute YouTube video based on this link about the recent AGI news update shocker. Okay. And you can either create YouTube shorts or you can actually go to ChatGPT and create a full-length script and then just copy and paste that. And then it will use that as a template. So this thing knows what it's doing, y'all. I'm just so impressed. I like to be super detailed because it's not perfect. Be relevant and show matching visuals. Generate video. And that's all you got to do. And I have a Plus subscription, so okay. Y'all, I'm from the old days. I'm from 2016 days, darling. We have to do everything by hand. So we're going to wait for this to complete. It takes about 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes just to complete this. It even creates a title for you. It says the AGI shocker. We have come a long, long way. This is the next step. So it's going to tell you what audience do you want the video to be for. It can be tech enthusiasts, AI researchers, the general public. It typically knows already, so I'm just going to continue. Let's see how this video played out.
In a world where technology evolves faster than we blink, a shocker has hit the artificial general intelligence landscape. This isn't just your regular tech update. It's a seismic shift that's set to redefine our understanding of AGI. For the uninitiated, AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is the holy grail of AI research. It's the concept of a machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide array of tasks, much like a human. It's a hot topic
He look like me.
Unlike narrow AI that excels in specific tasks, AGI promises a broad spectrum of capabilities, making it a game changer in every sense. Now, why is this recent update a shocker? Well, it's not every day that we see a significant leap in this field, and this update promises just that. It's a breakthrough that could potentially open up a world of possibilities, shaping the future of technology and indeed our lives. This revelation has definitely shaken the tech world, but let's delve deeper. Let's delve. To comprehend the gravity of...
We're delving, darling. It even broke it up into different sections so you can easily create chapters from that video. And guess what? Invideo even has a ChatGPT app integration now. So you can create videos directly from ChatGPT. Oh my God, you guys. Go in my description box below and download this right now. It is revolutionary. This is game changing, especially for lazy creators like myself. I tend to be very lazy, so I have to be fast about my content creation, and AI really has helped me with that process. I will have to still edit some clips from that video into this specific AI generated video just because I want to make it more dynamic. I want to include familiar faces. So there are, retention based tricks that I can still apply to this video to make it even better, but nonetheless, you can still use the foundational video that it gives you. I found that Invideo really works well for the health and wellness niche, the fashion niche, and even cooking niche. It has a massive library with a whole lot of content, so it can just pull from that database and create videos for you. As you can see, it's great with... Stop! I had to hit my cat. Not like that. Okay. But I want you to keep in mind your specific niche. You want to be original. You don't want to be like these other AI girls out here, because they're beginning to get like copycats, right? Especially when they see this video. This video is going to go viral. It's going to get billions of views, right? And so we want you to stand out. We want you to get some editing skills. You can hire me at Upwork, Carl H. That's my Upwork profile. You can hire me and I will edit your videos like chop, 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 just to give it that extra bit of flair, right? That extra cherry on top for the YouTube algorithm. You'll thank me later, all right? So if you've been struggling with the whole YouTube thing, with the whole showing your face on camera thing, with the whole TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram Reel thing, get you some Invideo AI. I hope you enjoyed that Invideo review. If so, please be sure to hit that like button down below and comment below which AI tool would you like me to review next.